Welcome to a new segment at the East Coast Supercharging YouTube channel called the C5 and C6 Tech Tips. In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust the heavy-duty tensioner found on the Supercharger kits for the C5 and C6. We have other videos showing how to install the Supercharger kit, but in this video we want to show how to adjust the tensioner. If you look here, this is the jam nut that holds it in place. You have to loosen it up, and then in the back will be the adjustment. If you spin the adjuster clockwise, it actually tips the pulley toward the engine, and if you spin it counterclockwise, it actually tips the pulley away from the engine. What you want to do is actually make sure that the pulley lines up with the crank pulley and it's perfectly square, and you can tell by the distance from the solid pulley to the crank pulley. You have to make sure the ridge on the crank pulley and the solid pulley have the same distance in the front and the back. That's how you know it's squared up. East Coast Supercharging has been around for almost 25 years. You can't think about a Corvette without thinking about ECS. Contact us today so we can get your car across the finish line. Check out ECSgarage.com.